To use your property equity to invest in more property, begin by understanding the concept of equity. Equity is the difference between the current market value of your property and the amount you still owe on your mortgage. To calculate your equity, subtract the remaining balance on your mortgage from your property's current market value. If your home is worth $300,000 and you owe $200,000, your equity is $100,000. One common way to access this equity is through a home equity loan or a home equity line of credit, HELOC. A home equity loan provides you with a lump sum amount based on the equity you have in your home, while a HELOC allows you to borrow as needed up to a set limit. Both options involve using your property as collateral, so they come with risks. Another option is cash-out refinancing. This replaces your existing mortgage with a new one for a larger amount, allowing you to withdraw the difference in cash. You'll then have a new mortgage with new terms and interest rates. Before proceeding, assess your financial health and goals. Ensure that you have a stable income and a strong credit score, as these factors will impact your ability to borrow and the interest rates you're offered. Consult with a financial advisor to fully understand the implications and to craft a strategy that aligns with your investment objectives. Once you have access to the funds, conduct thorough research on potential property investments. Look for areas with growth potential, favorable market conditions, and properties that could generate rental income or appreciate in value. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Lastly, consider the tax implications. Interest on home equity loans and cash-out refinancing may be tax-deductible if the funds are used for property improvements. Laws vary, so consult with a tax professional to maximize benefits. By carefully planning and consulting professionals, you can strategically use your property equity to further invest in real estate, potentially increasing your wealth and financial stability over time.